The inflatable camping tent, 10-foot, is designed for quick and easy setup thanks to its included manual hand pump and inflatable PVC tarpaulin air column, allowing you to assemble it in approximately 5 minutes. Crafted from 300 denier, high-density Oxford cloth, this tent offers excellent waterproofing with a rating exceeding 3,000 millimeters, making it suitable for various weather conditions. With dimensions measuring 118 by 82.7 by 78.7 inches, the tent accommodates 2 to 4 people comfortably, providing ample space for outdoor adventures. A thoughtful design includes 1 door and 2 side windows, featuring dual layers of Oxford cloth and mesh for improved ventilation and protection against mosquitoes. The tent's high mesh density ensures privacy while maintaining a cool and comfortable environment during hot summer days. To prolong the tent's lifespan, it is advisable to avoid using it for extended periods in heavy rain or strong sunlight and to store it in a cool, dry place.